this is a dish that you can do with the ingredients that are in your Gator box as well. You know, I know you all have the canned salmon. You know, I've used fresh salmon for this, but you can use canned salmon for this salmon cake dish that we're gonna make.
Perfect. So tune in, people. Pink canned salmon can be used for this upcoming dish.
Yeah. So I've got salmon here that I've cooked previously. I've roasted it actually, and then broke it up into flakes. And it resembles the salmon that you have in your can, in your Gator box. So we're just gonna take this pound of salmon, pop it right in this bowl. Then I've got the Holy Trinity. So the Holy Trinity is the base flavoring for lots of Creole and Cajun dishes. So we have bell pepper, we have celery, we have onion. I have some garlic in here as well. I'm gonna add that to there. A little bit of the onion. I have thyme, parsley, and bay leaf chopped up. Here's the Creole spice I was telling you about that goes in a lot of the things that I make.
Yum.
We have some lemon juice, some Worcestershire sauce. We have 1 egg, kind of bring it all together. Some mayonnaise for some creaminess, and then some panko breadcrumbs. I'm gonna mix this up with my hands because I wanna get it into like a nice patty form. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna heat up my pan so I can sear these as well. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to this. You don't want your pan too hot for this because you don't want it to burn, all right? So you want it on medium heat. So my mom used to make these like every Sunday morning for brunch, something that I really, really enjoyed. And she used to actually use the canned salmon. So when I saw the Gator box, that's what I got inspired to make, were these salmon cakes.
Now, Kwame, I do have to ask, because we get a lot of canned and dry food for Gator Groceries. What could you do? What else can you do with the can of tuna?
With a can of tuna, I mean, I always loved tuna melts.
Ooh.
You know, you take tuna, you can make your little tuna fish salad, put some cheese on it, and kind of like make it like a grilled cheese sandwich with tuna. And it's delicious. It's really, really good. You can also make like a really spicy, spicy tuna fish salad and then put it on top of grits. They do that in the Bahamas. It's called tuna fish and grits. So like there's a lot you can do with that box.
Cool.
So I'm taking the tuna, kind of like this tuna salad essentially right now, and just forming it into patties. I'm gonna do 2 nice ones, and then we're gonna make a sauce for this as well. So something that you want to use for this is like panko breadcrumbs. Since this is not an ad, I don't have a deal with them. It's just a really good breadcrumb to use. And after it's formed, we're gonna place it into the panko to kind of form a crust over it.
Kwame, what's keeping the consistency together? What did I miss?
The egg.
Egg, okay.
And a little bit of mayo. And then there are also some breadcrumbs in here.
Okay.
So this will also help keep it together, this panko, on the outside, and it'll also lend to a nice crunch when you take it out. You're gonna go and form it once again. And then your pan should be hot. You place that right in. And then press down so it's pretty flat. You do the same with the other one. There we go. So for this sauce that we're making, it's pretty simple. You know, it's mustard, mayo, a little bit of that Creole spice, and then some garlic. And the only thing that I've added to it is apple slices. So I've taken apples and I've sliced them into thin strips. So this is what we call in Louisiana remoulade sauce. And you put it on things from like po' boys. We'll serve it with like fried shrimp or fried catfish. And it's such a versatile sauce. So I have whole grain mustard in here, some lemon juice, some mayo, some garlic, Creole spice, and then the thinly sliced apples. So I'm gonna check on these, see how they're doing. And look at that, like beautiful golden brown, and that's what you're looking for with these. I'm gonna bring all these dishes back. Show the progress we got going on here. I cannot wait to eat this. It's like it's taking everything in me not to bite into this.
And so, Kwame, we have a question from Elaine asking, did you ever have a backup career if culinary didn't work out? It's so hard to imagine, but.
I actually, when I started my culinary career, I was rapping and singing and also acting. So some auditions, I would throw these concerts, but I would serve hors d'oeuvres in the middle of my sets. And that was a way to just get people to come to my concerts to begin with, because everyone loves free food.
Okay.
I had a musical career that maybe one day I'll pick back up, but I still freestyle in the shower alone. So
can you freestyle? Do a little freestyle for us in the kitchen. That's a bonus for us.
If you do one, I'll do one.
I can't. I'm not a freestyle. I could do a dad joke. That's the best I could do here. I could do a dad joke.
I love jokes too. I think I love stand-up comedy, but I want to hear your dad joke now that you said it.
Okay, I got the best one. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Why couldn't the sesame seed leave the gambling casino?
I don't know why.
Because he was on a roll.
Ooh, all right. What do you do for a living?
Exactly. What do I do for a living? Exactly.
That wasn't bad though. That wasn't bad. Pretty good.
Definitely a dad joke. My boss would be very proud of that one.
I'm on right now. I know you mentioned Top Chef. I'm filming Top Chef right now. I'm a judge this year. And
nice.
Tom Flickio is like the king of dad jokes. So
I love it.
We've been sparring And I've been making him proud with my dad jokes. I don't have any for you right now, but believe me, it's a fun time on set.
That's fun. And can you tell us a little bit about your experience with Top Chef? Like, how was it for you?
I had an amazing time. First of all, I was very, very young, so I had not much to lose to begin with. But I got to cook for so many people that I looked up to in this industry. I got to get really great feedback from some of the greatest chefs in the world. So for me, it was a extremely beneficial experience. I learned so much. I got to travel up and down the coast of California. My season was Top Chef Road Trip. So we would stay in hotels everywhere we went, and we would drive from San Francisco to San Diego, like all up and down the coast. So it was really, really great for me.
Sweet, we'll have to check it out and see the cool spots that you guys would host up here in SF. Go check it out.
Yeah, we stayed at the Fairmont Hotel and cooked all over. It was great. It was really great. Oh. So our salmon cakes are looking really, really great right now. You can see they're like, this is how you want them to be, nice and golden brown on both sides. You can finish them in an oven if you want, or you can continue cooking them right in the pan here. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. And I'm gonna start plating, getting ready for this. So I'm gonna put a little pool of this sauce on the side. You can see the apple juliennes in there. Then I'm gonna take these right out of the pan, straight to this plate. Oh man, I'm gonna have a really great dinner tonight, all by myself. I'm gonna put a couple mint leaves on this as well. And there's your 3-course meal. So you have your watermelon nook chom and shrimp salad. You have your cauliflower pinchos with the roasted sofrito aioli. And then you have your salmon cakes with your apple remoulade.
Wow. Amazing. So there you go, folks. You got a 3-course meal straight from ingredients that we've been given out from Gator Groceries.
Yes, I'm gonna try this too because it just looks so good.
Wow. And the result, let's hear it.
Money. Very, very good.
There you go, money.